Morning students, I welcome you all for the online class of moral science. Today we will be going to learn a very good chapter, that is a positive thinking. Okay, so this is another important message for you. Our life must have this part. This means though we are having so many types of problems, though we are having so many types of things, we have learned that when the good times comes, bad times also comes, and when bad times comes, it is not like that, it will not go. One day the good time again will come. So it is not stable, anything is not stable. Every time the things will be changing. We have to accept the things in a positive way. That itself is known as positive thinking. Positive thinking changes the way of looking the life. It makes our life happier. When we think everything in a positive way, our life becomes positive. We live a happy life. We live a successful life. The most important thing what we want is the positivity in our life. Negativity will bring sadness, sorrow, bad luck. This type of thinking will come to us. That is a negative thinking. But when something wrong happens, then also we think that it is a lesson for us. We will be learning something good from that. That itself is known as positive thinking. Every crucial experience can be regarded either as a setback or the start of a wonderful new adventure. It depends on your perspective. Said by Mary Roberts Reinhardt. It is said by that lady that every crucial experience, means every hard experience what we are having, can be regarded either as a setback or the start of a wonderful new adventure. So everything what we are getting, we must see it is an adventure in our life, a new thing happening in our life, and it depends on your perspective, means your thinking, how you take the things, either positive, either negative. So every experience, whatever thing you experience in your life, whatever thing happening in your life, what way you think, it is your perspective. It depends on your way of living. So that is said by Mary Robert Reinhardt. A European shoe company once sent 2 sales representatives to Australia to explore the possibilities of starting business among the Aborigines. One of the representatives sent the message back to the company: "No opportunities here. Aborigines don't wear shoes." The other one also sent a message. "It read thus: awesome possibilities here. Aborigines don't wear shoes." That was a message. As it was written there, see, very nice the message, very nice the thing is there. There are 2 ways of looking at things, a positive and the negative way. And that makes all the difference in life. As you are seeing, 2 people went to there, has 2 representatives. A European shoe company had sent 2 sales representatives to Australia. Okay, they had sent it to the people to the Australia so that the people can make the sale of the European shoe, starting the business. But they are of starting a business among the Aborigines, the people of Australia. One of the representatives sent this message back to the company. They had sent that the Aborigines don't wear the shoes, means immediately he sent the response that it cannot be possible, negativity. But the second person had said, awesome idea is there, awesome possibilities here, that Aborigines don't wear the shoes. Now the opportunity is that if they start wearing shoes, they can wear our company shoe, that is European shoes. That is a positivity of seeing the life. Where the negativity is there, we can convert it into positive by our thinking. So there are 2 ways of looking at things, a positive way and a negative way, and that makes all the difference in life. Check your perception. What is 1 plus 1? That is 2. It can be 11 also if people see in that way. Infinity, what your perception is there, 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Not any infinity, not an 11, because we are having exact calculation. When we see our life exactly what the way it, we cannot think other things. So we have to check your the perception, the thinking which comes. When a question is asked 1 plus 1, all will say 2. No one will be saying 11, no one will be saying infinity, because they know the calculation and they know 1 plus 1 becomes 2. When it is dark enough, you can see the stars. Definitely, if we want to see the stars, it is not that stars are not existing in the morning time, afternoon time, but the thing is that in this sunshine, we cannot see the stars. The lights of the stars we cannot see. So, when we have to wait till night so as to see the stars. So, same is that. If we want to see the positivities, the success, definitely we have to wait till that time. We have to work hard by having a positivity in mind. Columbus had carefully planned his voyage which led to the discovery of America. He was a man of positive thinking. However, when the voyage went on for days and days without any sign of result, the sailor threatened to mutiny, rebel. But Columbus did not turn back even when his cherished hopes failed to materialize. Then on the 69th day of his voyage, means he was making the journey through the ship, through the sea route. So that is the voyage. Just before midnight, Columbus saw a spark of fire in the west. It was first sure sign of land. The voyage was a huge success. Columbus had discovered a new continent, that is the large land mass. Okay, so that is the student how we have seen the 69th day, means you can see 69 means already 2 months passed, and the 9th day after 2 months, before the midnight, he saw a fire on the piece of land. He found the land. It means 69 days he was traveling in the sea route. He was in the sea. He lived his life in the sea. After that great time, he got a particular land to be discovered. So that's why Columbus discovered a new continent. He made the life to be existing in that land. So this is the way. If he had lose his hope, he can return back. He can come back. There were many sailors who were sailing during the same sea route. They were threatening, they were rebelling, they were finding rebel enemy to the Columbus, but he not see any of the materialistic thing. He did not failed his hope. Many people said he will not be able to get success, but he did not listen. He was according to his thinking. He made his positive thinking that he will get one day, and that 69 day he get the piece of land in which Columbus discovered. That is the power of positive thinking. Your perspective, your thinking, whether positive or negative, has a great impact on the decision you make. Your decision determine and shape your actions. This action will determine the results you create. Your positive thinking is an attitude that enables you to make a difference and succeed. A positive thinking helps you to cope with the ups and downs of everyday life. It makes you an optimist, one who is able to avoid worry and negative thinking. If you adopt optimistic as a way of life, it will bring about a constructive change in your life. The greatest discovery of this generation is that human beings can alter their life by altering their attitudes. William James. If you adopt a way of thinking positively early enough, you will bring constructive change in your life. If it will make you happier and happier, more successful. A study reveals that in 85% cases of job selection and promotions are made on account of the candidate's attitude, and 50% of them are recruited on the basis of their intelligence and knowledge. So you can think 85% case of job selection are done on your perspective thinking, that you are what way you are taking this job, positive or negative way. That means almost like that shoes example has been said. Once when when opportunities was given to two salesmen, but one had rejected himself by saying aborigines don't wear the shoes, but another one said no, I can do it. I will make the aborigines to wear the shoes. I will explain them. So that is the opportunity, that is a way of living the life. That means almost 100% of the present day education prepares students only for about 15% of the jobs available. In order to qualify for a job, you must work overtime on forming a positive attitude towards work and people. Happiness must be your first objective, not only your own happiness but also of others. And happiness should not be taken for granted. We ought to be grateful to whatever contributes to the making of our happiness. It is relevant here to recall the story of the little girl who, after tea party Thanksgiving prayer was said, I did a personal prayer of her own. When asked what that extra prayer was for, the little girl replied, that was to thank God for my appetite. So this is a very good things what we can see. The has the story, a small story gives a positive thinking in our life. It brings happiness in our life. Like this one, the girl who after tea party Thanksgiving prayer first said was added a personal prayer of her own. Why so? Because he was thanking God that this day, such a day, the God had given to him. Positive thinking is about much more than just being happy and displaying an upbeat attitude. Positive thoughts can actually create real value in your life and help you build skills that will make you smile last much longer. Experience of positive emotions like love, joy, contentment, etc. make you see more possibilities in life and open your mind up to more options to solve problems. Similarly, when you focus on the negative emotions of fear, anger and stress, your brain closes off from the outside world and you are prevented from seeing the various options and choices that surround you. Positive emotions, by broadening your sense of possibilities and opening your mind, enable you to build new skills and resources that can provide value in other areas of your life. So the thing is that student always makes positive thinking, always have a perspective which will have positivity in the mind. Fear, anger, stress, this is the negative emotions, this is the negativity which will bring more and more negativity in your life. So be happy, be cheer and be satisfied with the things which you are having. If you want to gain something, have a positive attitude for the achievement of that thing. If you are having positive attitude, definitely we will be able to achieve the things. Identify negative thinking. Let us have what is the negative thinking. Do you find it hard to understand if your self-talk is positive or negative? Then check against the following common forms of negative self-talk. Very first, filtering. You tend to focus on the negative aspects of a situation and magnify them. Thus, you filter out all the positive aspects from the situation. For example, you had a great day at school. You got 10 out of 10 in solving some maths and your teacher complimented you for those sums. At home in the evening, you attempted to tackle some more tasks and forget about the compliment you received. Personalizing. Well, something means filtering, it is saying you always try to find the negative things what you receive in the particular day. You are not able to set your mind what the positive thing you got in a day. Always you remember and goes on worrying about the negativity what you heard in your ears, what the negativity you had seen, but never you recall the things which had been happened in a day in positive way. If positive thing we will give more importance, then positivity will come. If negative things we will think more, then negativity will come. So it is up to us how the way we think about the things going on. Personalizing. When something goes wrong, you automatically assume responsibility and blame yourself. For example, your team lost a game and you immediately assume that you are to blame. That is the personalizing. You are taking all the things personal. Means you are taking yourself to be the reason for everything. If the team is losing the game, then you find that because of you the team had lose the game. This is not the way. We have to see the positive aspect from that particular things. Catastrophizing. You automatically anticipate the words. For example, you missed your bus and so reached school late. You automatically assume that the rest of your day will be a disaster. That is very wrong. Only a first thing, if it happened wrong, we can make the other day to be successful by our positive thinking. We cannot make the whole day to be negative. But maximum people, this catastrophizing thinking is there. What they think, if our beginning is bad, definitely the whole journey will be bad. So that is the wrong thing. Polarizing. You see things only as either good or the bad. For you, there is no middle ground. You think that you have to be perfect or you are a total failure. That is polarizing. You must not think you are a bad. You must not think you are a failure. Always hope for the positive things. How a positive frame of mind helps. Expecting success and not failure, making you feel inspired. Positive frame. How you will make your mind to think positivity. That thing I am explaining to you. Expect success in everything. Though you are getting or not, that doesn't matter. But always expect success, not the failure. make you feel inspired. Definitely, it will inspire us that we can achieve the success. Give you the strength not to give up. If you encounter obstacles on the way, positive thinking always strengthens you to not to give up. Just go on, like Columbus example we have heard that 69 day. If he had made a failure of 38 day, he thought I cannot reach the destiny. Definitely he cannot, because his destiny he never thought. He just said I will reach to a particular sea through my voyage, to my small boat. I will reach to a land, please. And 69 journey on the small boat, he had actually received the particular that voyage. He was sitting and making a journey. He had achieved the particular land. Believing in yourself and your abilities, that makes positive thinking. Positive thinking believes in yourself. It will give confidence. It will say believe in yourself. Enhance your self-esteem and confidence. You look for solution instead of dwelling on problems. You see and recognize opportunities when you are having positive thinking, looking at the bright side of life, and so your whole life business becomes filled with light. Helps you achieve goals and attain success. It produces energy and you are filled with enthusiasm. Enables you to inspire and motivate yourself and others. You get more respect and love from others. You smile and life smiles at you. That is all about the positivity. Some tips to develop a positive attitude. How could you develop? If always negativity comes to your mind, how could you develop the positive attitude? Choose to be happy. It is a matter of choice. Refuse to choose negative thought. Think of positive solution to problem. Feel happy when you solve a problem. Look at the bright side of life, means the correct side of the life, void side of the life. Take time to notice the good things that happen in your life. Or in a day also, if one good thing happened, always try to remind that things always. That makes you happy. Rejoice in all that is good in the world and all the good that is accomplished by you as well as by others. Surround yourself with positive people. Make sure you associate with people who encourage and support. People you can depend on to give you helpful advice and feedback. Find reason to smile more often. You can find them if you look out for them. Smiles improve your face value, then they say. Have faith in yourself, students. That is a very important thing. Anyone will trust on you or not, but you trust yourself. If you will start trusting you, everyone start trusting you. Believe that the world can help you, that there is a solution for every problem. Be open to humor. Watching and reading humorous things that make you laugh, tremendous healing power. Allow yourself to laugh, especially during difficult times. It makes you less stressed. Follow a healthy lifestyle. Exercise daily. Follow a healthy diet to fuel your mind and body. Adapt techniques to boost your positive attitudes and manage stress. Nowadays, yoga is very popular to give meditation to your mind so that positive thinking will come. Your mind will be happy. Your mind will be relaxed. In that relaxed mind, definitely all the good things will be coming. All the positivity will be coming. Remind the good thing and meditation. Remind the parents what they will, they love you. There are there are many things which you can relax in during the time of meditation. 5 to 6 minutes in the morning time. Just sit and remember the good things of your life. That is how much your parents love you, how much your friends love you for the things, how much important you are for everyone, how much the thing people find important in you. That everything you find that will make you give importance of your life, that will make your life to be happy, that will make you to live a life, to get some objective of your life, to have an aim in your life. That all the things will be coming automatically when you think that people loves you, God loves you, and moreover parents love you and they want you to be in their life every time. Though you have tasted failure, but they never see the failure in you. They always see success in you. Remember those things. Always the positivity will be coming. Practice positive self-talk. Speak to yourself using positive affirmatives that are meaningful to you, especially after getting up in the morning. As I already said, do meditation. In that meditation, remember the good points of you. And before going to bed at night, as a rule, don't say anything to yourself that you wouldn't say to anyone else. Putting positive thinking into practice. Given here are some examples of negative self-talk that can be given a twist with positive thinking. Let us have that. Negative self-talk, positive thinking. I have never done such a thing. Make it positive. Here is an opportunity to learn something new. Like the shoes one. This subject is too tough. I shall tackle it from a different angle. That way positive thinking you can do. There is no way it will work, negative self-talk. But I can try to make it work. I am not prepared for it. I shall do what can be done. Still you are not prepared, but you can do activity related to that. You are having that much effort that you can appear for that particular thing. I am too lazy to get this done. I am going to reschedule my work to include this. It is such a radical decision, difficult decision. But you can make. Let me take a chance to make it easier one. No one bothers to listen to me. I shall see if I can improve my communication. That way you see, definitely others will start listening to you. I am not going to get it any better. I shall give it another try. That is a positive thinking. Practicing positive thinking every day. If you are used to being pessimistic, you cannot expect to become a positive thinker overnight. You must be optimistic. Think, pray to God. You will be getting positivity in your mind. If you are pessimistic, you will be having negativity only. You will be saying no, not that words. Nevertheless, anything that sparks feeling of joy, commitment and love, you can help you become a optimist. With practice, eventually your self-talk will contain less self-criticism and more self-acceptance. You may also become less critical of the world around you. When your state of mind is optimistic, you are in a better position to handle everyday stress in a constructive way. Daily meditation is a good way to build long-term skill to increase your mindfulness, purpose in life, social support and decrease illness symptoms. Again, if you develop a habit of writing about an intensively positive experience each day, you will develop better mood levels and experience an excellent wellness condition and contentment. If you can say you can or you can't, you are right either way. Means it is said by Henry Ford. So that is a positivity student. Be optimistic. Pray to God. Be that thing itself. Pray to your parents. That thing will bring positivity every day. That the parents, what they find success, as I said, they never see the failure. They always expect this failure is nothing. My son and daughter can bring the success in their life. Future, the whole life is there to bring the success. They will achieve that success. That thinking of parents make in your mind. It will bring more trust in you. It will bring more light in you. It will make your life brighter and others' life also brighter who are living with you. So have a positive thinking. It is having a great thing in our life. It is having a great part in our life. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.